Hi, hello, and welcome to cPanel Crash Course. In this video, we'll learn how to select PHP version in cPanel. So to change or select PHP version in cPanel is pretty straightforward. So we can search for select PHP version functionality. So in my hosting, I use from Namecheap. It's already put on top of the panel on a custom pane. So I will click this one. If you don't have it on top, it might be on software section. So in here, we can first select PHP version. So the current one in my account is 7.2, and I can change it from version 5.2 to 7.4. Okay, please be careful with this because this is a global setting. What I mean with global setting is that this will change the PHP version for your cPanel account. So this will apply to your main domain, your add-on domain, your subdomain, anything that uses PHP will have these settings. Okay. So if you already have application installed, it might break your application, even though it might, like, for example, using a newer version. So be careful. Just ensure that your application won't break. So let's try to change this to 7.4. And on the bottom of this version, you can see that this is the extension that installed and we can use. Okay, so we can check or uncheck any extension that we want or don't want to use on the PHP installation on our cPanel account. Okay, back to the PHP version. So after changing, this is not enough. We have to click this link, set as current. So cPanel will change this to 7.4 as current version. So the button here, reset to default, is only applied to the extension. So for example, if I click this, it will enable the iNotify module, PHP module. But if I click reset to default, it will disable the iNotify extension on cPanel. Okay, that's it for this video. Later, we'll try to learn how to change PHP version for a specific domain, specific subdirectory in cPanel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment below, questions, and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.